Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be doing present perfect continuous tense. We will be studying simple sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. So here while studying there are two things which are important to know, that in these sentences we use since and for, because the action started somewhere in the near past and still it is happening. Like if it was raining in the morning and still it is going on, so we will be saying it has been raining since morning, means it started in the morning and still it is going on. So there is something for the completion, means it happened, it started in the morning, not now, and continuous means still it is happening, So this is present perfect continuous tense. So we use, there is time mentioned, time, exact time or period. These two things are mentioned. Definite time and period. These two things are mentioned in all the sentences under present perfect continuous tense. So we need to differentiate between these two, because wherever definite time is coming, we do use since, and wherever period is given, so we use for. It is easier to study for, so we will be studying first how to use for. If there is a period like 2 hours or 3 hours or 6 hours, 5 days, 7 days, 9 days, this is a period, because we don't know these 2 hours when it happened, this week or last week, this month or last month. 5 days, which one? This week, this year, last year, we don't know. 2 hours, 5 days, 6 months, 9 years. So where the period is given, so there we use for. Since, we use since for a definite time which we know already, like if names of days come like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, there we use since. If names of months come, we use since, like let's suppose September, and if names of years come like 1980, etc. If it comes like yesterday, if it comes like morning, if it comes like evening, or it comes like night. So names of the days, names of the months, names of the years, or if it comes the time, definite time, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock or 9 o'clock, like this. When these things will come, so these are we know Sunday exactly, so we use since. We know September exactly, we know the dates, years, we know yesterday, we know morning, we know evening. These are the definite things, so there we put since. So now we'll be moving ahead, but keep in mind that where to use for and where to use since, because these come under present perfect continuous tense. Now we'll be moving forward and we will study the formation or the structure of simple sentences. How to make simple sentences in present perfect continuous tense. The rule number 1 is he, she, it, singular noun. These he, she, it, these are the pronouns. Okay, these pronouns and singular noun. Okay, these are followed by has, then been, then first form of verb, and then we use since or for in the sentences as per the requirement. So we do some examples for this rule, like it has been raining since Monday. Okay, it followed by has, been, first form, ing. Here we used since because it is definite. Monday, we know Monday. Okay, you have been writing a letter for 2 hours. You followed by have, then been, first form, ing, and then we are using for because period is given 2 hours. Okay, I have been playing for 3 days. So these are some examples for the first rule for simple sentences. Now we will be moving forward to the second rule. The second rule is that I, we, they, you and plural nouns will be followed by have, then been, then first form of verb, then ing, and then we use since or for as per the requirement. We will be doing some examples. I have been sleeping since 8 o'clock. I followed by have, been, first form, ing, then we used since because this is definite, we know about 8 o'clock exactly. We have been singing a song for 2 hours. So we followed by have, then been, first form, ing, and then we used for this period 2 hours. So these are the examples for second rule, that I, we, they, you. These are the I, we, they, you and plural nouns. I, we, they, you, these are the pronouns, and then plural nouns, these will be followed by have and been, first form, ing, and then we use since or for as per the requirement.